Which is a fundamental element of supply-side economics? 1. Corporate tax hikes. 2. Economic deregulation. 3. Marginal tax hikes. 4. Tax hikes. Or 5. Stringent economic regulations. And so this is really just a definition-based question. Supply-side economics is a economic theory which has two main elements. The first is tax cuts, and the second is economic deregulation. And so among those two choices, we know that economic deregulation is the only one that's present. Everybody else is talking about raising taxes instead of cutting taxes. And so economic deregulation would be the best answer choice here. And again, this is just something that you'd have to be familiar with in order to get it right. Kind of one of those textbook definitions. And so supply-side economics is just one of the theories of how an economy should be regulated, as opposed to demand-side economics, which talks about what you can do on the consumption side to stimulate the economy. Let's take a look at the previous tutor's answers, see if they also got what we got. And so they say 5 as well, economic deregulation. Supply-side economics is the economic theory that argues against economic regulations. It believes that economic deregulation and decreases in taxes can lead to economic growth. Most effectively, it is the opposite of demand-side economics that considers high demand for goods and services as the fundamental propellant of demand and supply. Supply-side economics believes that a greater supply of goods will increase the benefits consumers receive along with an increase in employment. It advocates excessive economic deregulations as it believes high taxation can be a discouraging agent for investments and economic activity. Yeah, so that's really good. It goes into the theory, talks about both taxes and economic deregulation, and kind of breaks down why supply-side economic is different from demand-side economics. So I think all in all, that's a great answer, and we can just mark that as correct.